Hi guys, cordial welcome to Jaman's MATLAB coding. In this digital image processing clip, we'd like to explain how one can convert a color image into binary 1. Viewers need the background of clip 61 where we discussed how one can use MATLAB to get a digital image to be read, and also clip 64 where we addressed how one can display a digital image in MATLAB. All along in the digital image processing clips, we have been using studio.jpg image as a specimen image. You can use your own image. Anyhow, go to MATLAB command prompt, enter the MATLAB statement for reading the image, which is app equals imread inside the input argument image name. In the next command line, call the imshow to display the image, and the image display as you see on the screen. The workspace variable app is a three-dimensional array which holds red, green and blue components of the image as 3 pages respectively. There is an embedded function by name im2bw, or you can say image to black white, which converts an RGB image to binary 1 or black white 1. There are certain algorithm and theory hidden inside the embedded im2bw, which is beyond the context of this clip. The function im2bw receives two input arguments. First one is RGB image and the second one is user defined threshold, and we must provide a return variable which is gonna hold the converted binary image, and the threshold value must be between 0 and 1 as far as the syntax is concerned. If we exercise the command class over f, we're gonna see the return as uint8, meaning the red, green, blue is image components in the range 0 to 255. Now the algorithm of im2bw converts the RGB image to monochrome or gray one, and the converted image or gray image is also in the range 0 to 255. Let's say the converted gray image is f of mn, and threshold we have to decide. Threshold can be any value between 0 and 255. Choose threshold as 100. Then if the image intensity value is more than 100, then the intensity value going to be 1, and if the intensity value is less than or equal to 100, then the image intensity value going to be 0. In the end we will have two levels because it is a binary image. So after conversion, binary conversion, the image intensity will be only 1 or 0 or true or false, or you can say 0 and 255 if we consider the unassigned 8-bit storage. How one can translate the threshold 100 in 0-1 scale? Well, here gray level maximum we can have is 255. So the chosen threshold 100 by 255 will be converted to scale 0 to 1. So go to MATLAB command prompt, call im2bw with two input arguments, the first of which is the image data stored in F, and the second of which the threshold, which is 100 by 255. Assign the return to some workspace variable fb. In the next command line, then call imshow over fb. and FB or F user chosen variable. If your execution is successful, you're gonna see the return as shown on the screen. And FB is called binary array or logical array because its value can be 0 or 1 or true or false or 0 and 255. That's it for today. We do need your support to improve this channel. Please share, like and subscribe our contents. I hope to see you in next clip. Bye for today.